The bullish news seem to keep coming for Bitcoin, especially with this new ETF. Are you concerned at all that there might be some speculative froth in all of the latest movements, or is this just a reflection of how mainstream Bitcoin is becoming?
I definitely think this is just a reflection of how mainstream Bitcoin has become. And I think we're just seeing the tip of the iceberg, to be honest. I think at 50K, things are just starting.
So if this is just starting, where does it end? Because, of course, we did see the rally last time around, and that didn't last too long, and what happened wasn't really pretty.
Sure. I think basically, if you look at the last rally, it rallied from the previous peak of $1,000 in 2013, and it rallied through 2015, 2016, and 2017 to 20,000. And then we had a retrace. We had a 3-year bear market, and then now we're back in full bull market again. So, but right now we just passed the previous peak just by a little bit. It's only 2.5x. And right now, the fundamentals are much stronger than 3 years ago. We see a lot more users, a lot more institutions coming in, and a lot more inflation happening outside of the crypto industry. We see DeFi taking off. So we see a lot more. There's a lot more activity now in this industry than 3 years ago, and also from the user numbers, we see. I believe the first time I talked with you guys in this channel. We were seeing all-time highs of 300,000 new registered users per day. And now we're sustaining above that peak, sustained on a day-to-day basis. So yes, in 2017, we just saw a peak and then dropped. But now we're seeing sustained volume, new users coming at a faster speed than that. So I think we're just seeing the beginning.
CZ, where do you see as fair value then? Do you have a price target?
So this is the thing about crypto, right? There's no real, fair value. You just got to represent how much wealth that of people using it, or people in the industry. So I think right now, if you look at the market, only 11 listed companies have announced they're holding cryptocurrencies or holding Bitcoin. There's 650,000 companies in the world. So we're just seeing a very small tip. And if you look at the sort of individual holders, I think we're reaching somewhere around 1% adoption globally. So I think there's probably somewhere around 100 to 150, maybe 200 million users in crypto right now. That's just based on a very rough guess. But that's probably less than 1% adoption right now. So we still have, number one, like 10%, 80% to go. Number two, the crypto market should be larger than the fiat market, because with cryptocurrencies, there's a lot more you can do. And there's a lot more use cases that's possible now. So this is similar to Uber's market size is bigger than the taxis. So I think I think it's very clear we're just at the beginning. Things are just started, things finally have started rolling.
All right, let me talk to you about Binance Coin, though, because your own token has actually jumped even more than Bitcoin itself. How are you planning to leverage that ride?
So so this is the thing about Binance Coin. It started as a more or less slightly centralized platform exchange token, and it has a history outperformed even Bitcoin over the last 3 years. And more recently, it's really contributed by the Binance Smart Chain, which is a decentralized blockchain that a lot of new DeFi projects are running on there, like Cake, Pancake, etc. So I think the current boom is really caused by that. But more fundamentally, though, I think because Binance Coin has a smaller market cap than Bitcoin, it is actually easier to grow that. And there's more development activity happening with Binance Coin than Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will act as the global reserves in the cryptocurrency space. But for Binance Coin, there's a lot more activity going on. But understand, Binance Coin do have higher risk than Bitcoin. So basically, smaller market cap, higher volatility, higher potential growth, higher risk. So that's the, I think that's the fundamentals for Binance Coin.
Suzy, just quickly, you're offering Dogecoin futures as well. I think Elon Musk is a big supporter, right? What do you make of that?
Yeah, I think I'm surprised that Elon's so gung-ho on Dogecoin, but I think, look, this is the free, decentralized free world, right? Anybody can like anything. He can like Dogecoin for any reason he likes. And I strongly believe that he's not really associated with Dogecoin in any way. Dogecoin is one of those that's one of those coins that started as a joke, but it's getting a lot of popularity over time, just for various reasons that nobody expected. So I think Elon really likes it. But the fact though is that Tesla, I think, bought Bitcoin, not Dogecoin. So I think Elon probably likes it a lot personally. And we listed a long time ago, and we added futures recently, just because of the new demand on liquidity. So we do where users go.